Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about Clip Studio Paint. I have been using Clip Studio Paint for a while and I really like drawing with this program, so I decided to show you some basic features of it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have anything you would like to say, please leave a comment. When you first open Clip Studio, it looks something like this. If you want to create a new project, you can see there are many opportunities in Clip Studio Paint, as you can create an illustration, a webtoon, a comic or an animation. I have only tried to make illustrations, but if you have different plans, it might still be a good choice for you. As for the canvas, you should pay attention to the resolution, which would be 300 or higher, especially if you plan to print your artwork. If the color of the paper makes your eyes feel uncomfortable, you can change its color, but usually I don't change it. I don't really like the interface this way because I feel like it's too complicated. So I will show you how I like it. At first I close all of these windows because I don't use most of them. You just have to pull them out and close them. Of course, you only have to do this process the first time that you use Clip Studio Paint. Next time it will automatically open this way. Then I go to Window and I select the layer property, the color slider, the color set, the color history and the history, though some of these might not be that necessary either, but I still like it this way. Then I put the navigator on the left upper corner and also put the color wheel, the tool and the subtool on the left side, and then the tool property on the right side. And now I will show you some of my favorite brushes. For making sketches, most of the time I use the basic pencil tool. You might want to experiment with the stabilization slider, as it can make your line quality better. You can always restore the subtool settings, so don't be afraid to change everything you want. If you click on the branch icon, you can see that you can change many other things. I change the starting and ending very often. Another brush I like to use is the Run Mixing brush. I mainly use it for color blocking and for shading the skin. It's really good because it blends colors really beautifully, as it's kind of soft but not too soft. It still has the hardness to it, which the airbrush doesn't have. To be honest, I think I use airbrush way too much, so I am trying to get used to this brush because I think it can make the drawing look more alive. Of course, you can play around with the settings of it, but most of the time I use it with its default settings because it blends the best that way, I think. Two of my favorite textured brushes are the gouache and the oil paint brush. I think their texture is perfect for painting clothes. Something I love about Clip Studio Paint is that the brushes work kind of similar to traditional painting, so it's really interesting to paint with them. For painting the eyebrows and the eyelashes, and some details in the hair, I like to use this Salaman texture brush, which you can download from the Clip Studio assets. I will put its content ID in the description. I think it might be great for line art as well, though I am not that good at that. For some more details in the hair, I like to use these free brushes. I will also put their content ID in the description. You should use them carefully though, because it is easy to overuse them, which can make the hair look strange. I have done that mistake way too many times. And of course there is the airbrush, which can be really useful, but many beginner artists, including myself, use it way too much. As for painting the clothes, my favorite brush is this charcoal brush. I think its texture is perfect for painting clothes. I feel like this video is getting too long, so I will make another video about some of the useful features of Clip Studio Paint. If you want to watch that video, please subscribe to my channel so you can see when that video is out. If you have any questions or you want me to make a video of something, please leave a comment. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video, take care.